cinema today, Alia Bhatt. Okay, I'm sure we have questions that are going to come your way, but before that, I have to ask you again, Boski, this journey with the two characters, with both of them, with Iqbal and Sehmat, how has that been? Just dealing with them and performing with them, along with them. Before they have their little two bits to say, we'd like to hear the director's voice first.
When I say that this film has been my happiest as a director, it is in no small part because of these two. They've spoiled me. There is so much lightness and goodness on the set because they are such good people, apart from being fabulous actors. They embrace what I would throw at them and then volley it back at me with double the intensity that I asked for. Every take, every day, every new scene was a surprise. They've divested themselves and unraveled the character for me beyond how I saw them. I will always be grateful, always, for both of you.
Thank you. Vicky, what do you have to
I
say?
didn't
While
rehearse.
she was snowballing and throwing things at you, were you catching it efficiently or were you dodging the ball?
I was trying my level best, but first of all, I just want to say कि आज मेघना ने मुझे इतना बड़ा तोहफा दिया है. मैं आज गुलजार
Oh, it's
साहब
Vicky's
से-
birthday, by the way, guys, today.
Yeah.
It's Vicky's birthday, 16th of May.
Yeah. मैं आज गुलजार साहब से पहली बार मिला हूँ तो मैं बहुत overwhelmed हूँ. गुलजार साहब, I love you. The reason why I say that she's the world's best hugger is I remember the first day of shoot. I change into costume, I step out of the van, and I'm en route to go on floors. She meets me before going on floor inside the studio, and she gives me a warm hug, the longest hug possible, and she just said, "We're gonna do it together. Welcome."
Ah.
And that just set the tone for me. You know, that hug just, I mean, it was from that hug onwards, it was just beautiful. Every moment, being on set, being directed by her was just absolute delight. Thank you, Meghna.
Oh. And Alia, as Sehmat, as this brave child that you projected and played, you must have had that kind of tremendous give and take with Meghna, only because it's that kind of film, that kind of role that requires you to just invest and believe in your director, your journey.
I mean, I don't think there's no amount of sentences or words can really put together my journey with Meghna, because on this film, it was very important for me as an actor, at least, not important, but sort of, it just had to happen that way, that I had to be a little mad with this character. And when your director gets your madness and loves your madness, there's no better feeling. Because how vulnerable an actor feels in front of the camera, especially playing a character like this, it's very scary. It's very, very scary. It's like being in a room with fire all around you, and it's like the heat is coming, but it's not coming, and you're aware. And in that moment, you just need one person to hold your hand and say, listen, I'm there, and I know what you're going through, and it's not just you, we're going through it together. And it was very important that I went through this journey with someone together, because the kind of character I was playing, it was too much. So thank you, Meghna, for holding my hand and just getting me. And you know the main chick story.
No, we can't say that.
We can't say that, but between us, whoever knows the story, you'll be my main chick for life. Thank you.
And you mine.
Yeah. If nobody should ever know that story.
You have gone and told everyone
I
that
have told
story.
lots of people, we still can't tell the media. We'll get into lots of trouble with that story. Alia has got herself into copious amounts of trouble in the past. We don't want to go and start and spiral that again. But listen, Both of you have been amazing, so much love coming your way, and I'm sure members of the media have questions for you, questions for our two protagonists.
नमस्कार, आदाब आप सब लोगों को। मैं नवभारत टाइम से रेखा खान।
sorry, हाँ।
सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सब लोगों को और खुद को भी बहुत सारी मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी। कंग्रेचुलेशंस। और विकी, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
मेघना जी, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है कि इस फिल्म के ज़रिए आपने एक देशभक्ति की, एक कहते हैं ना कि एक नई डेफिनेशन दी है। और ये सच है कि अपनी देशभक्ति को ऊंचा करने के लिए दूसरे की देशभक्ति को नीचा करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। हमारी फिल्मों में अक्सर जब भी देशभक्ति की बात होती है तो बहुत पाकिस्तान बैशिंग होती है, लेकिन इस फिल्म में ऐसा कुछ भी देखने नहीं मिला। ये बहुत ही सुखद पहलू था। तो मेरा सवाल ये है, आप चारों मंच पर मौजूद हैं, मैं आप लोगों से जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोगों के लिए देशभक्ति की क्या डेफिनेशन है? फिल्म के ज़रिए तो आपने दे दी है।
उसे जताने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। वो है जिसे जताने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। उसे अगर आप सच्चाई से महसूस कर लें, सबसे पहली चीज़ और सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ वो है। और वो मतलब अगर आप मूवी हॉल में हैं और आपका नेशनल एंथम बज रहा है, या आप एक बच्चे के स्पोर्ट्स डे सेलिब्रेशन में हैं और सारा मैदान खड़ा होकर नेशनल एंथम गा रहा है और उससे आपके आँख नम हो जाए या आपके रोंगटे खड़े हो जाएं, आप तब भी पेट्रियट हैं। और आप अगर अपने मुल्क के लिए अपनी जान कुर्बान करने के लिए तैयार हों, फ़ौज में भर्ती हो जाए, आप तब भी पेट्रियट हैं। उसे महसूस करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है जताने से।
आलिया, आप?
मैं मेघना
विकी,
के
आपको भी आंसर करना पड़ेगा और करण आपको भी।
हाँ, मैं बहुत ही सिंपली कह दूंगी कि मैं मेघना के आंसर से बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ।
विकी, आप बताइए, आपकी क्या डेफिनेशन है देशभक्ति को लेकर?
मैं आलिया की सहमति से बहुत राजी हूँ।
ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा। ये नहीं है तो एक लाइन बन जाएगी फिर। प्लीज बताइए।
नहीं, पर मैं सच में इस चीज़ को मानता हूँ। पेट्रियट होना मेरे लिए एक स्पिरिचुअल होने के बराबर है। मैं अपनी स्पिरिचुअलिटी को फील करता हूँ। मैं उसको डंके की चोट पे चीख कर नहीं कहना चाहता कि मैं स्पिरिचुअल इंसान हूँ, यू नो। उसी तरह मैं डंके की चोट पर ये कहना नहीं चाहता कि मैं पेट्रियट हूँ। मैं वो फील करता हूँ और मैं सच्चे दिल से फील करता हूँ। एंड आई थिंक पेट्रियटिज्म इज़ कि आप देशभक्ति, देश किससे बनता है? लोगों से बनता है। आप लोगों को सुनिए, उनके ओपिनियंस को मौका दीजिए, उनकी इज्जत कीजिए, एक दूसरे को समझिए। हमें ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारे डाइवर्सिटी में जो स्ट्रेंथ है ना, वो शायद कोई और देश में नहीं है। एंड वी हैव टू ट्रीट इट एज अ स्ट्रेंथ। अभी शायद वो नहीं हो रहा, बट वी रियली नीड टू डू दैट।
करण, प्लीज आप भी बताइए कुछ।
देखिए, ये देश मेरा घर है और मेरे घर के बारे में मुझे अगर अपने आप को जस्टिफाई करना हो तो मुझे कभी कभी बुरा लगता है। मैं इस घर में मैं नहीं हूँ, देश मेरा है और हमेशा रहेगा मेरे जहन में, मेरे दिल में, मेरे हर रग रग में देश बस चुका है। और इसीलिए जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ गर्व के साथ मैं जाता हूँ और वही गर्व मुझे मेरे देश ने मुझे दिया है। मेरा घमंड है, मेरा गुरूर है, मेरा देश मेरा सब कुछ है। तो उसे मैं ना जस्टिफाई करना चाहूँगा, ना मैं उसके अपनी पेट्रियटिज्म जैसे विकी ने कहा उसे कोई प्रूव करना चाहूँगा। बस वो हमारे जहन में बस चुका है। और जहाँ जाते हैं हम, मैं जहाँ बात करता हूँ, मैं गर्व से कहता हूँ कि मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ और मैं हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा का हिस्सा हूँ और हमेशा रहना चाहूँगा। मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि मैं कहीं बाहर विदेश में जाऊँ, कहीं जाके ऑस्कर जीतूँ, वहाँ जाके मैं शॉपिंग करना चाहूँगा, लेकिन यहाँ मैं रहना चाहूँगा, यही मैं फिल्में बनाना चाहूँगा। जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ।
आलिया, मैं आपसे ज़रूर जानना चाहूँगी, माशाल्लाह आपने बहुत ही कमाल की परफॉर्मेंस की है और उसके लिए आपको बहुत सारी मुबारकबाद। लेकिन आप इतनी फ्लॉलेस, इतनी एफर्टलेस कैसे परफॉर्म कर पाती हैं?
फ्लॉलेस नहीं कहूँगी, एफर्टलेस भी नहीं कहूँगी। काफ़ी एफर्ट गई है इस
पर्दे पे दिखता नहीं है, यानी स्क्रीन पे नजर
हाँ,
नहीं
तो
आता।
वो राइटिंग और डायरेक्टर का कमाल है और जैसे वो मुझे शूट करते हैं उनका कमाल है। ऑनेस्टली आई एज एन एक्टर, मैं इट विल बी फूलिश फॉर मी टू थिंक कि ये मेरा किया गया है। मैंने अपना दिल दिया है, अपना खून पसीना एक करके दिया है, बट आई एम नथिंग विदाउट माई कैरेक्टर, आई एम नथिंग विदाउट माई स्टोरी, माई स्क्रीन प्ले, माई डायरेक्टर, my script, my actors. तो अगर मैं flawless और effortless हूँ तो वो भी flawless और effortless है.
And we've heard Alia speak about herself many times, but I really want to ask Soni, who's her mother, and if I can ask you, Soni, can I have you say sentences and ask you, you've spoken so many times, I'm sure, about your daughter, but I really want to know what you have to say and how proud you must feel of Alia tonight and every other night.
Yeah, I am. I'm actually just quite amazed by my own daughter, and I don't think I should keep saying this as a mother because, but it's true.
You're proud.
I'm very proud.
Well, I think both of us standing here look like now we're the parents. I'm representing Bhatsab here. I feel like we're mummy and daddy, looking like two proud parents of our child who's on stage ready to win her elocution competition.
That's exactly what I told her right now.
Thank you, Soni. Thank you. Now, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say that we, like I said at the top of this segment, that we've had the privilege and the pleasure of such an amazing cast and crew who all I'd like to mention and then invite on stage, and then the rest of the crew post that. Now we have with us, of course, we have Alia Bhatt who played Sehmat, and Vicky who played Iqbal with abandon, with such terrificness. Thank you, Meghna. Thank you for bringing alive Iqbal and Sehmat in the way they have. And thank you, Alia, for just making this film so much more Razi to an audience. Thank you, you're true blue, you're just stars. You're stars and rock stars, and we love you. Thank you. Major mark was made by his performance. He played Mir. He's the actor Jaideep Ahlawat. Jaideep Ahlawat shines in the role of Mir. His silences speak volumes. His dilemmas speak beyond words. He truly has, as you know, that the coming of age and the discovery of a supreme actor, his work, of course, in Gangs of Wasseypur has been unanimously loved, but Razi, of course, has taken that leap for him. We are really proud of you, Jaideep, and continue doing the tremendous work that you have. Rajat Kapoor as Hidayat, the father, the brilliance. Thank you, sir. Thank you that you bring always to every lead performance that you do, like truly fantastic and so well received across the world. Shishir Sharma, we've had the pleasure of working with you. I have you on bucket list as well, and I hope Razi was on your bucket list, and it truly is a solid performance. I was watching it and I'm like, that shows the versatility of an actor, because in bucket list, it's a Marathi film and then he speaks chaste Urdu like a true blue rock star. Thank you, Shishir, for amazingness. Soni, like I said, thank you. You've been the icing on this wonderful cake by bringing maternal love and your glorious presence like you always do. Thank you. Thank you so much. Amruta, as Munira, you are absolutely fantastic. Well done, Amruta. Truly, every moment that you had on Celluloid was special, and we felt very bad when well, I won't say the spoiler ahead. That I was going to reveal it, and I was like, for those who haven't seen it.
5 days.
Yeah. Yes, no, but still, we won. Arif Zakaria, I have had the pleasure of directing you. Arif, thank you so much. You're so wonderfully eerie, and then we won't say what happens to you eventually, but because I don't want to give spoilers, but Arif, you really scared me, and then I was scared for you. eventually, you almost made Razi into a little bit of a horror film in parts. Like it was scary. His parts were scary. I had people talking to screen saying, "Don't go in, he'll catch you. Don't go in, he'll catch you." Fantastic. Play it louder, yeah. Ashwath Bhatt as Mehboob, again, very sorry for what happens to you in the film. But my hugest apologies. But you know who you have to blame for that.
This is the fifth day.
Yeah, I think, yeah. Tremendous performance, Ashwath. Thank you so much. And again, heartfelt gratitude, of course, to Shankar, Ehsan and Loy, and the magical Gulzar Saab. Thank you so much. Apurva and Preeti, like I said, thank you for being the spine. Thank you for being through all the turbulences. Thank you again. I have special mention to Nilofer, to the marketing team, of Jungli Pictures, of Dharma Productions, of all the marketing teams, production teams, the support system we have. Preeti, I'd love for you to come and say anything you have on Jungli in particular. All right. Before we go ahead, I'd like to call all the names I mentioned to stage. Everyone else who said, I would like you to. And of course, it's very critical that we mention, so I have to tell you about one gentleman who's never in the spotlight. He's one of my oldest and closest friends. His name is Anil Thadani. We've had the most amazing journey together. And He's been on my journey even when he's not distributed my films. He's borne all my stresses, my nervousness, my tensions on Friday night, on what the number is, on Saturday, what the number is, what the drop was, what the rise was, what happened on Monday. He's been lucky for Preeti, for us at Dharma Productions. Thank you, Anil. Thank you for being such a big force. And I've known Anil all through my college life. Lesser known fact, I actually know Aditya Chopra only because of Anil Tarani, but that's a little bit of a note that you might find in my book. Now, all the wonderful... Meghna, I want you to invite your wonderful cast and crew on stage, please.
Please, gang, Syed family, Hidayat family. A large number of my
Apurva,
dear
come. Preeti.
technicians and crew is
Aye,
missing.
please.
Our cinematographer Jay isn't here. My writer Bhavani Iyer is not here. But we do have one half of our super production design team of Subriti Chakravarti and Amit Ray. Amit da, please come on stage. Where are you? Where is he? Huh? He's left. He's also not here. And editor's also not here. Nitin, are you here? No. The behind the scenes guys prefer to stay behind the scenes only. They don't want to come in front over here. Okay, so just
Ladies
know
and
that we
gentlemen,
miss
I give
you
you
guys.
the forces of Razi. Thank you very much again, members of the media. I'm really, truly, all of us on behalf of Jungly Pictures, Meghna Gulzar, Dharma Productions, we're very happy to have had all of you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for supporting us. Make sure you support us and make us rise over every dead pool that is alive. Thank you. Anil, you want to come? You never come. I know he won't come. I know he won't come. He'll never come. Oh, sorry. See, that's a... No, we have cancelled this cake. Now we can't be cutting a cake. It's too cheesy now. Okay, we'll cut it later when the other meeting. I really think I've done a great job of integrating. Huh? So what to do? Yeah, I bet them. I met them. Hello. How are you doing? Thank you. I've become Manish Paul today. I've become conductor in opera. No, I haven't gone to the office. I'll check it. Thank you. Thank you. It's a very beautiful. Oh, really? Hi. How are you? You okay, na, Taran? Yes, okay. How are you? Listen, I'd become Manish Paul today. I'd become the host guy. Yeah. Oh, sorry.